Morning, Mike.
Hey, good to see you. Beautiful sunrise today.
Okay, verify these numbers against the manifest right here. Everything match up? Yes, sir, all accounted for.
The wafers undergo a rigorous multi-stage cleaning process to ensure absolute perfection before the drying cycle.
Make sure these are aligned before the next batch.
I'm checking the efficiency ratings now.
The delta on these looks good, very consistent color.
All connections are secure, resistance is nominal. Good. The alignment is corrected on this module.
Monitoring the temperature and pressure is crucial to ensure the EVA layers bond correctly.
As you can see, the routing is secured and the strain relief is properly applied to prevent any movement.
Excellent. Let's move to the next panel. As you can see, the individual cell conversion rate is excellent.
Maximum efficiency confirmed. Let's send it to the next stage.
Look at the triple junction here.
Yes, the shunt resistance is elevated in that quadrant.
Confirmed by the thermal scan data.
Power output is strong. Pmax registered at 450 watts.
Excellent. Record the data and prepare for transfer.
Experienced quality inspectors perform the final inspection, carefully verifying every component before approval.
Okay, bring it down slowly. Watch the side. Looks good. Get the ratchet on that one.
All checks complete, Supervisor.
Verified. Good to go. See you guys later.
Take care out there.
As the sun dips below the horizon, the scale of the operation becomes clear.